Hello. The last 4 days I've been vacationing here in the Alpes d'Huez. That's Alpes, and then D''Huez here in the French Alps. And today I took a hike in on the mountains, and I happened to find a medieval, the ruins of a medieval blacksmith shop. So I just thought I'd share this. So this is the sign at the very entrance of it. And this is actually the shape of it. Now if you look closely here, I'm not sure how good you can see this because I'm not seeing it very well on the screen, but there's what's in here is basically a forge and also a place to store coal, and a mine as well. So this is the ruins. Let me walk over here. This is it right here. I'm sure one time it was a stone building. So I found nothing in terms of an anvil or any tools. But off to the left here, where I'm pointing, you can see that. I believe that's where the forge was. Right in this area, I think there was the where the anvil was. And then off to the side over here was a room, another room for storage. Then over here looks like a separate building. I'm not sure what that was. Let's take a look. Not sure I could tell what it is, if it was even a building or if it was part of this structure here. Again, this goes back to the Middle Ages, and there's been much going on here since. Now back here, let's go look at where he's mining probably coal or whatever he's burning. I would imagine he was making his own steel. So we'll make this climb here. This, some kind of a basin here. What I really want to show you is really up here. Not sure what to say about this, but it looks like it's been dug out. Not natural. Anyway, one more thing I want to show you. We go over here. You can see the rocks here was once a stream where he got his water. Here's the view from up above. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you today. Thank you for watching.